Not be a black vote, it would not be a white vote, and if the news media wants to look at it like that, then that's their prerogative. But I never, not once, did I expect to receive public criticism in an interview by a fellow commissioner because of the way I voted. It is very difficult when you say, do as I say, do not as I do. I mean, you just can't operate like that. And the best way to lead is by example. If you're going to say we're going to respect each other, then you need to start respecting each other. And once you start that, you won't have to say it because other folks will see what you're doing and not what you're saying. But I was very disappointed in that article, very disappointed. And again, anytime I vote, I will vote for what's in the best interest of my district, and I have not, to my knowledge, made any vote that will harm anybody or any part of my district. Thank you.